Hey, if you've been trying to export a video in CapCut and got a codec error, yeah, that can be really frustrating. Don't worry. I'll walk you through some easy fixes so your videos export smoothly. First, make sure your CapCut app is fully updated. Older versions often have bugs that cause codec errors. After updating, restart the app and try exporting again. Sometimes this alone fixes the issue. Next, try changing the export codec. For example, switch from HEVC to H264 or MP4 format in the export settings. Lowering the resolution or frame rate can also help if your system struggles with high-quality codecs. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause codec errors. Go to Settings, Arrow Preferences, Arrow Hardware. Acceleration and turn it off. Outdated GPU drivers can trigger codec issues. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest drivers. Restart your computer after updating, then try exporting again. Low disk space or limited RAM can cause codec errors. Make sure you have enough free space on your export drive and close other apps to free memory. So yeah, updating CapCut, switching codecs, disabling hardware acceleration, updating GPU drivers, and freeing disk space usually fixes export codec errors. Follow these steps and your videos should export without any issues.